Good morning, kids. Hope you all are good. I, Nikita Kaushik from Gurukulam Gyanoday Vidyapeeth, welcome you all in your English class. As we have read a poem, remember? The first part of poem, I have told you, I have divided two parts, that poem into two parts. That will make easy for you to grasp it as easier, okay? So today, we are going to read this part, the second part, okay? And how many stanzas are there? As you can see, one stanza, second stanza, and this one, third stanza, okay? So, let's get started, okay? Please be ready with your pencil. I'll tell you as usual the hard words and you will underline them, okay? I have a, what's that? Yes, clever classmate who knows how to click. Yes, click. I'll tell you the meaning. As click means what? Here click means to take photographs, okay? Just like a photographer takes our clicks, yes, in the same way. To take click. To who knows how to click. The perfect. Perfect. What is it? P-E-R-F-E-C-T. Perfect. Photo. P-H-O-T-O. Photo. Really quick. Quick means fast. I have a clever classmate who acts, A-C-T-S, acts like a clown. What is the meaning of clown? Clown means a person who wears colorful and funny clothes and have a big ball in his nose and do many more funny things to make us laugh. That person is called clown. Clown or joker. Have you seen joker in circus? Yes, joker is also known as clown, okay? What is it? Oh, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Laugh means to, yes, hasna, very good. We laugh so hard that we fall down. So many, what is it? Clever, C-L-E-V-E-R, clever, classmates. It's clear, C-L-E-R-E-A-R, clear, as can be. We clap for them, them, daily, D-A-I-L-Y, daily. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, now let's move to the explanation part. What are these lines conveying us? I have a clever classmate who knows how to click. Who knows how to click means what? Who knows how to click pictures. The perfect photo really quick. Who can click pictures really quick. क्विक मीन्स बहुत जल्दी. मेरा एक क्लासमेट है जिसे पिक्चर्स क्लिक करना आता है एंड कैन क्लिक पिक्चर्स वेरी क्विक. बहुत जल्दी वो सबकी पिक्चर्स क्लिक करता है. देन आई हैव अ क्लेवर क्लासमेट who acts like a clown. We laugh so hard that we fall down. एक मेरा clever classmate है, I have a clever classmate जो किसके जैसे act करता है? Yes, just like a clown. And what we people do when a clown acts in front of us? हम क्या करते हैं जब clown हमारे सामने कुछ करता है? Yes, we laugh so hard. Yes, then और हम इतना हंसते हैं कि हम गिर जाते हैं. That we fall down. Yes. So many clever classmates, it's clear as can be. We clap for them daily. 1, 2, 3. What is these lines saying us? मेरे पास इतने सारे clever classmates हैं and ये उतना ही clear है. मैंने अपनी तरफ से बहुत clearly इस चीज़ों को दिखाया, इन सारी चीज़ों को दिखाया कि कितने clever हैं मेरे classmates. And हम उनको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए या उनको अप्लॉज करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? वी क्लैप फॉर देम 1, 2, 3 एंड डेली एज वेल. ओके, सो let us move to the next part that we have. You can see in our page number 19 of our book. Hope you have got the summary of the poem, what this poem has conveys to us. Okay, then let's move to the next exercise part. Here are some pictures given over here. You can see understanding the poem. Look at the pictures, put a cross for ones which are not about the poem. Okay, हमें उन चीज़ों पे क्रॉस लगाना है. Here we have 6 pictures you can see and उन 6 pictures पे हमें उन pictures के सामने क्रॉस लगाना है जो इस poem के बारे में नहीं है. Okay, so first one, there are 2 boys you can see. Yeah, 2 boys and they are fighting with each other. Is it mentioned over there in our poem? No. So we'll put a cross in that. Then, oh my God, what are they doing? They are jumping on the benches. Yes, 3 boys are there and one is jumping on the bench. You can see, yes, and 2 are looking at him and enjoying that. So, is it mentioned in the poem? No, it is not mentioned there. So, we'll put a cross in that. Yes, what are these people doing? Oh, they are enjoying. Yes, so it was mentioned. No, it wasn't. Yes, it is not mentioned over there. Then put a cross in that. What is next? A tree house. Remember, in the first part we have read about a tree house. There was a friend who knows how to climb. Okay, up to the tree house every time. Yes, so put a tick in that. Then what I have, yes. Recently we have read about it. What is this boy doing? Clicking the pictures. And recently we have read about who knows how to click the perfect photo really quick. Yes, so put a tick on that. What is this boy doing? Oh, he is eating something. Was it mentioned over there? Yes, absolutely not. So put a cross on that. Okay. Now, here are some questions. Let us discuss some question answers. Okay. The first question is, how is the classmate similar to a duck? How is the classmate similar to a duck? Was there anyone who was similar to a duck? Yes, in the first stanza we have read about. As you can see, I have a clever classmate who knows how to quack. Yes, so who knows how to quack, and he quacks just like a big white duck. So, how is that? Yes, it will be, yes, because he knows how to quack just like a big white duck. Simple. Then what does one of the classmates do to her fingernails? Oh, what he was doing to her fingernails? Yes, clip her nails herself, fingernails herself, and which kind of sound it made? Yes, that was snip, snip, snip. Very good. Then what does the clown make the class do? What does the clown make the class do? Yes, we have recently discussed about that. I have a clever classmate who acts like a clown. What then they were doing? Yes, they laugh so hard that we fall down, They laugh so hard on his activities. Then the last question, how does the class cheer for the clever classmates? How does the class cheers for the classmates? Yes, we clap for them daily. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So, now I have one thing for you, one work for you. Okay? So here I have a work for you all. Up to here we have already discussed this, but now what your work is? Here you have a question, think and answer. What the question is, let me explain you and you have to do that question by your own, okay? Does the poet like her classmate? Give a reason for your answer. The question is asking the poet, who is the poet? Vinita Dudshi, okay? So what the question is asking, does Vinita love her classmates? Like her classmates? Okay, so whatever your answer is, yes, either yes or no, whatever your answer is, write it in your notebook by your own, try it by your own and give a reason as well why she likes her classmate. ओके उसे क्या उसके क्लासमेट्स पसंद थे और अगर पसंद थे तो क्यों पसंद थे, आपको वो आंसर लिखना है अपनी कॉपी में एंड यू विल गेट the next PDF, the rest of the answers in the PDF form. Okay, so don't take worry about that. Okay, so till then we'll be back with the next videos. So till then, stay tuned and goodbye.